Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all my pupils. I hope all of you are doing well at home. So today we are going to do a writing task on page 118 and 119. Okay, I accidentally skip this part before moving to chapter 10. So we have to go back to chapter 9 and answer these questions. Okay, so without further ado, let's take a look at task 4 on page 118 of your textbook. So task 4 is read this writing task and underline 4 things you must include in your review. Baca soalan writing di bawah dan gariskan 4 perkara yang anda perlu letakkan di dalam ulasan anda. Will you have to describe your own experiences on the holiday as well as give a general description? Yes, you need to describe, menjelaskan, menceritakan your own experience on the holiday, pengalaman semasa bercuti di tempat berkenaan, as well as give a general description dan juga berikan penjelasan, penerangan secara am. Okay, so you see this advertisement in an international travel magazine. Reviews wanted, ulasan dikehendaki. Holidays for teenagers. We want reviews of holidays designed for teenagers. Kami mahu ulasan tentang percutian yang direka untuk remaja. Your review should include information about. Ulasan anda mesti memasukkan maklumat seperti berikut. About the place. Okay, so you underline the place. The food, underline the food, and what activities there are. Underline what activities there are. Apakah aktiviti yang boleh dibuat di sana. Would you recommend this holiday to other people your age? Adakah anda ingin mengesyorkan percutian ini kepada orang lain yang seusia dengan anda? So you underline this sentence. So here there are 4 elements that you must include in your review. So you have underlined all 4 elements. Good for you. The best reviews will be published in our magazine. Write your review in between 140 and 190 words only. So your review letter should be written within this word frame. You need not to write long. Okay. So let's take a look at task 5. Read this review written in answer to the task in 4. Baca ulasan yang ditulis untuk menjawab soalan dalam tugasan 4 and underline the topics of paragraph 2, 3 and 4 dan gariskan topik untuk perenggan 2, 3 dan 4. Okay, so let's take a look at this review. Let's read it together. Teen Village, the place to go. Paragraph 1. Would you enjoy staying in a beautiful place with lots of exciting things to do? If so, Teen Village in southern Spain is the perfect holiday destination for you. Okay, so this is the introduction. You need to introduce what the tourist destination it is. Okay, paragraph 2. Situated next to a lovely sandy beach. Terletak berhampiran dengan pantai berpasir yang cantik. The hotel. So the topic for paragraph 2 is the hotel. Okay. The hotel is a circle of comfortable wooden bungalows. In the center, there is a campfire area. Campfire, unggun api. Where meals are grilled every morning. Grill, dibakar setiap lewat petang or awal malam. Okay. When I was there, so this writer describe his own experience while staying in the village, in the teen village. When I was there, most of the guests relaxed around the fire until late, chatting and playing guitars. Okay, semasa saya di sana, ramai tetamu duduk berehat di sekeliling unggun api sehingga lewat malam, berborak dan bermain gitar. This can be annoying. Ini boleh menjengkelkan sometimes, kadang-kala, if you want an early night. Kalau awak nak tidur awal. Okay. Okay. Next one. Paragraph 3. Okay, sorry. The evening meals are simple. So the next topic is the evening meals for paragraph 2. Okay. Are simple, mainly meat or delicious fresh fish served with a wide variety of salad. Dihidangkan dengan pelbagai jenis sayur salad. However, walau bagaimanapun, the hotel also has a cafe. Ada cafe hotel ni that serve huge cooked breakfast and other snacks to keep you going all day. Ada jual makanan dan sarapan ataupun makanan ringan, snack, untuk anda makan sepanjang hari. During my stay, so again, the writer, okay, describe a bit about his experience staying there. Most people choose from a daily program of extreme sports lesson. Ramai orang memilih untuk membuat aktiviti sukan ekstrim, okay, such as hang gliding, luncur dari atas, and sand sailing, berlayar di atas pasir. We spent a wonderful morning scuba diving around an old shipwreck in the bay. Kami menghabiskan sepanjang pagi menyelam di sekeliling satu kapal karam, old shipwreck in the bay, Teluk. So, the topic for paragraph 4 is a daily program of extreme sports lessons. That is the topic for paragraph 4. And lastly, paragraph 5. The writer states that he does not recommend this destination for couch potatoes. Okay, he said, I wouldn't recommend, saya tidak menggalakkan, mengusyurkan Teen Village to couch potatoes. Couch potatoes mean orang yang suka tengok TV. Couch means sofa. Okay. But if you are an energetic party animal, tapi jikalau anda seorang yang sukakan parti, bertenaga untuk berparti, then this is the place for you. Jadi, ini adalah tempat yang sesuai untuk anda. Okay, next we move on to page 119 and we are going to answer some simple comprehension questions. Okay, let's go through the questions and answer. Let's take a look at task number 6. Okay, now answer these questions about the review in 5. Question 1. Does the writer answer all 4 points asked for in the task? Yes. There are 4 points or elements that he has to answer, and he has answered all the 4 points. Okay, number 2. Are there any negative comments made about the holiday? Yes. Okay, there are negative comment negatif yang telah ditulis tentang percutian berkenaan. Number 3. Circle the 2 phrases used to introduce the writer's own experience. Ulatkan 2 frasa yang digunakan untuk memperkenalkan pengalaman sendiri oleh penulis. So, we go back to the text. Okay. In paragraph 2, okay, the phrase when I was there. And by using this phrase, actually the writer has introduced, his own experience of staying, in the teen village. And in paragraph 4, the phrase during my stay, is circled, and this phrase, introduce, okay, his experience of staying there. Okay, we go back to the question. Question number 4. Sorry. Which tense is used to describe the writer's own experience? The answer is past tense. Tense yang manakah digunakan untuk menerangkan tentang pengalaman penulis? Jadi jawapannya ialah past tense. Number 5. Which tense is used to describe the hotel in general? Maksudnya tense manakah yang digunakan untuk menerangkan, menjelaskan tentang hotel itu secara am. So the writer use the present tense. Because the hotel still exists nowadays. So we use present tense. Okay, next one. Question number 6. In which paragraph does the writer recommend the holiday? Paragraph 1 and paragraph 5. Okay. Dia telah mengesyorkan tempat cuitian ini di peringkat 1 dan 5. Next one. 7. What kind of teenager does the writer recommend it to? Kepada remaja jenis apakah yang penulis syorkan tempat ini untuk bercuti? So the answer is someone who would enjoy staying in a beautiful place with lots of exciting things to do. Seorang yang suka tinggal di tempat yang cantik dengan pelbagai aktiviti menarik untuk dibuat. In paragraph 1, okay, and in paragraph 5, okay, this holiday, this place is recommended to an energetic party animal. Seseorang yang suka berparti, orang yang bertenaga untuk berparti setiap malam. Okay, next one, task number 7. Okay, your review should include facts and opinion. Ulasan anda perlu memasukkan fakta dan pendapat. Read the following descriptions and then underline, baca penerangan di bawah dan gariskan, underline the adjective that describe opinion, gariskan kata sifat yang menjelaskan tentang pendapat, and circle the objective describing a fact, dan bulatkan adjektif kata sifat yang menerangkan fakta. Which kind of adjective always comes first? Kata sifat manakah yang muncul dahulu? The answer is adjective of opinion always come first. Kata sifat berbentuk pendapat muncul dahulu dalam ayat. Okay, examples. A lovely. Lovely is an adjective of opinion. Okay, adjective of opinion comes first. A lovely sandy beach. Sandy is an adjective of fact, fakta. Okay, berpasir ya. Pantai berpasir. Next one, comfortable wooden bungalows. Comfortable is an adjective of opinion and wooden is an adjective of fact. Same goes for the third one, huge cook breakfast. Huge adjective of opinion and cook adjective of fact. Next one, 8, the last one. Okay. Now complete these descriptions of a summer camp for teenagers by writing 2 adjectives. One showing your opinion and the other a fact. Sekarang lengkapkan deskripsi sebuah summer camp untuk remaja dengan menuliskan 2 adjektif. Satu menceritakan, menunjukkan tentang pendapat dan satu lagi tentang fakta. Example, okay. A beautiful sunny location. Lokasi cantik lagi panas. Number 2, tasty fresh food. Okay, tasty is an opinion of is an adjective of opinion. Sorry, fresh is an adjective of fact. Okay, next one, friendly young camp leaders. Young, adjective of fact, fakta, muda, memang muda. Friendly, opinion. Okay, pendapat. Okay, and lastly, exciting outdoor activities. Outdoor, adjective of fact, and exciting adjective of opinion. So we stop for now. Okay, stay tuned for the second video clip. Okay, till then, have a nice day. Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.